Hey everybody, time to feed the snake again. Yep, we have a exciting announcement to make today, but first we're gonna feed the snake. Thanks for coming, guys. This is feeding number 54, and I've got a escape artist mouse here that I have to put in the tank. I got the mouse before I went grocery shopping, and I had the people at the pet store double box him. And when I came back out to put the groceries in the car, the mouse was loose in the car. It was kind of comical, but then I just had to put him in another cardboard box. But yeah, this guy's in here. Can you see him? Yeah. Hey, buddy. Sorry. All right, here we go. In you go. In you go. He's in the corner. And I'm sure Mr. Snake here is going to make short work of him. Wow! Oh my goodness. That was a cool strike. Oh. Loving the GoPro. Makes it so much easier. I was filming these with a full Canon camera before, which was heavy and kind of cumbersome, and I had to focus manually. But anyway, the announcement. We have a new friend, a new snake friend, that's going to appear regularly on the channel. I purchased a king snake today, a little baby king snake. And he's going to have his first video out sometime next week. I'm going to test feed him, see how he reacts to live baby mice, because the pet store was feeding him frozen, thawed, pre-dead mice. And hey, what you doing, man? Here, you can go and eat them. I'm not gonna bother you. Yeah, so we're just gonna test feed him, see how he does, and you will see him again sometime next week. And I'm gonna stop talking because I think maybe that's bothering him, bothering this corn snake here. It's okay, buddy. Yeah, I went into the pet store today, and they just had this perfect little black and white baby king snake, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get it. I've been procrastinating. I got him a little tank, a little water dish, a little fake plant, and he's right next to us right now, actually. But I'm gonna save it till next week to show it to you guys, because yeah, that's just the way I want it to be. I remember when we first got this guy, he was just as big as this baby king snake I have. It's amazing how much they grow. This guy is an adult now. And he is just about done. Another minute or so, he'll be. Alrighty. Oh, there you go. He got the legs there with that one gulp. Oh, there he goes. Wow. That was a swift and exciting strike he did today. That was pretty cool. Anyway, guys, thank you for coming. Thank you so much. Please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel for weekly feedings. And now we're going to have 2 weekly feedings with 2 different snakes starting next week. So stay tuned for that. Love your comments. Thank you. Ask me anything. I'll answer as best I can. Of course, if the question is sincere, of course. But yeah, this guy is done. He is full. He's filled up. And he is ready to chill out for a week again. Till he gets to eat again. Snake says, see you later.